In this lecture, we'll demonstrate how to use tamper scripts to interact with a vulnerable SQL injection point. Tamper scripts are Python scripts that modify the SQL payloads before they are sent to the target. They can encode or alter parts of the payload in ways that might help bypass filters or detection systems, such as web application firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and intrusion prevention systems. Let's see it practically. So to see the tamper scripts available in SQL Map, type in SQL Map --list tampers. Okay, so this command will list all the built-in tamper scripts that you can use. Here we have some common scripts, include 0e, union.py, base64 encode.py, and many more. So now select a tamper script. We'll use this script, base64 encode. So it can encodes all characters in a given payload. So let's see how you can use this script. Type in the command SQL map -u, then specify the target URL, then --, cookie. Okay, that will provide the necessary session cookie with the tamper script, base64 encode. Okay, then we have --batch to run this scan automatically without prompting for user input, and then the last option -users for fetching the database users. So as before running this command, let's start the Wireshark. To capture what payload we are sending through the target, let's start the Wireshark. Starting the Wireshark, we know our target is using 127.8.01 address, that is a loopback address. So we'll choose loopback :IO interface. Okay, just select this interface and then hit enter. Now Wireshark will start capturing the packet. Open Wireshark and you can see the 40 number request. The 40 number packet that shows an HTTP GET request that includes an SQL injection payload, and this payload is sent to 127.8.0.1, which is the target of the SQL map attack, and this is an encoded SQL injection payload, right? Now back to the terminal, you will see output indicating whether the tamper script helped bypass any filters. So using tamper scripts can be crucial for bypassing web application security measures, and the base64 encode script is just one example of how SQL map can be leveraged to interact with complex filtering mechanism. Always ensure you have the permission to test the target system. That's all for this lecture. Thank you for watching.